June 2024. I log into my YouTube Studio account. I receive a notification. Your YouTube channel has been demonetized. Ha! My heart dropped into my stomach. It was as if I stopped breathing for a few seconds, okay? Like, I wasn't expecting it at all. It came as a shock to me, and I kept blaming myself for making this kind of silly mistake, because it's something that is not even, like, it wasn't even worth it at all. It was not worth it at all. So let me tell you of how I got demonetized on YouTube back in June 2024. Hi, my name is Onyii and you're welcome to my channel. I started my channel in 2017. I had just finished the university. I was waiting for law school. If you don't know, I'm a lawyer, okay? So after university in 2017, around that period, I was consuming a lot of YouTube content. Like, I used to watch YouTube a lot. The way some people are obsessed with TikTok now, that was the way I was obsessed with YouTube. Like, I was up to date with so many creators' videos. I was basically living on YouTube then, because then I didn't really like Instagram like that. So YouTube was my comfort social media. I was always on YouTube. So one day, it's not like I had any grandiose reason or plan for starting a YouTube channel. I just started a channel because, you know, as I consume a lot of content on YouTube, I was like, why not just create your own channel? And when I created the channel, I didn't really have any clear-cut plan about what I wanted to use the channel for. I just knew that since I was always watching YouTube videos, I felt that, okay, I can make my own videos and post there, because I also knew how to edit videos. So I was like, I won't be losing anything anyway. Plus, you know, creating a YouTube channel is free and all. So that was how I created my YouTube channel. So when I created this channel, I didn't have any plans of, you know, the kind of things I wanted to be posting. I was just posting a bunch of things, like anything that I come across or anything. I can record anything and just upload. And then after a while, I started looking towards how I can, you know, monetize the YouTube channel. But I didn't really know what I was doing, you know. Since I didn't have any plans for why I started the YouTube channel, I was just constantly uploading a bunch of random stuff. So my channel wasn't really known for anything like that, and I wasn't growing either. So plus then I was so shy. If you watch my first YouTube video, you see how nervous I was, but I was hell-bent on, you know, uploading that video at that time. So that was how, after a while, you know, I went to law school. When I went to law school, I abandoned the whole thing, because law school in Nigeria is stressful. In fact, I think law school everywhere is stressful, okay? Law school was so stressful. I didn't even remember, the 1 year I was in law school, I didn't even remember I had a YouTube channel. I did not remember at all. I didn't post anything, nothing. I don't know. So fast forward to 2019, I got married, moved to my husband's house, and I resumed posting content. But then I didn't really know what I wanted to be posting on my channel, you know. In as much as I wanted to be posting content about my life, I also wanted to keep some part of it private and all, because then a lot of things was going on online. Plus, that was around that period, soon after the COVID-19 started, so everything was put to a halt. It's not like I had anywhere I was going to, because before COVID-19, we used to travel a lot. So at least I had hope that, you know, there were a lot of content to post. But once COVID hit, everybody was forced to stay indoors. So I didn't know the kind of content to be posting. And like I said, I was trying not to blur the lines between being a content creator and, you know, sharing every single detail about me online and all. Plus, like I said, I'm a lawyer, so, you know, there are things that as a lawyer in Nigeria you shouldn't even do at all. Like, there were so many things. So after a while, I abandoned the channel again. So that was how we kept doing, you know, all this, because I didn't really see content creation as a job. I just saw it as something I was doing, like it was some kind of hobby, which once I get tired, I can leave and run. and then after a while I'll come back to it again, all those kind of thing. I didn't really see it as a serious job and all. Fast forward to 2022, I resumed posting again, but then I was pregnant and I didn't want to post my pregnancy online, so I focused on posting about the Nigerian entertainment industry, all these celebrity gists. But then even at that, I wasn't really happy with it. Was blowing up. It was one of the video. In fact, a few of my videos blew up. That was how I got monetized. But I didn't really like the fact that I have to keep up with celebrities, to post their gist. You have to constantly check all these. Bloggers are trying, because it's real work, like it's serious work. To be able to carry entertainment news, you have to follow different bunch of celebrities. Like you have to follow all the celebrities, you have to keep up with their day-to-day activities, what they post. It was a lot. I was like, no, this is not the life I want. But then I was making good money from it because, like I said, one of the videos I posted, it's when I started posting about the Nigerian entertainment industry, that was when I got monetized. One of my videos blew up really well and I applied for monetization and I got monetized. So I continued in that direction. The views were easy to come. People were always willing to watch and comment and share. But then if you go through the comment section, you see that it's not really my vibe. Like I didn't really like the way the kind of community I was building, because they were always, insulting themselves in the comment section. There was always like negative vibe roaming around the comment section, and I didn't really like that. And I knew from then that this was not what I was going to use my channel for, because number one, these celebrities are human beings, okay? And sometimes the things they want to keep private end up coming out in public, and the general public, they don't really care. So far your business is outside, they'll keep shredding you. They don't even want to know the reason why you did what they said you did, or if you even did that thing. Like it was so crazy. So after a while I was like, no. Although I was making good money from this, I was like, this is not what I want to be known for. Like it was like I was championing an avenue to push hatred towards my fellow human being, and it was really giving me sleepless nights. I was like, money is good, but my peace of mind is way better. So that was how I stopped posting all this entertainment news. And when I stopped posting, I started posting, food recipes, how to cook this, that, all these students' budget recipes. It was doing good, but it was not doing as good as the entertainment gossip. Although my subscribers kept growing, my views dropped drastically. Like my analytics was looking crazy. It was not what it used to be, as well as my money. Okay, the money I was making from my videos started declining, and my food videos, like the videos of how to cook, wasn't really making me that much money. But I was happier because when like some people try my recipes, they'll come back and be like, they tried this and they liked it and I should thank you for saving their lives, all this kind of thing, especially the student recipes. So that was when I kind of had a clear vision of what I wanted my channel to be. Like that was when I decided to build a community that isn't known for negativity. I was hell-bent on eliminating all the, if you dare comment, if you dare insult anybody under my video, I will quietly delete and block you. Like, how can you type up this kind of thing and say to your fellow human being? There are some comments to be like, I was like, no, I'm not creating an avenue for something like this. That was how I stopped posting entertainment news. My money, the money I was making from my videos declined drastically, but I didn't really, it bothered me a bit. I was like, should I just continue? But I wasn't happy with posting entertainment news. So I was like, I'm just going to stick to what I've decided. Like, I finally decided what I wanted my YouTube channel to be known for. I finally decided what I wanted to be known for on the YouTube space, and also that was how I continued on this route. I was still making money, every other month I get paid and all. But when I was in the entertainment news, every month your girl was popping. So after a while, I gave birth. I took a long break because motherhood has been crazy. In fact, it was crazy from the get-go. I think I underestimated the kind of work, like the kind of sacrifice that goes into motherhood. So motherhood came, it took all my time and attention. In fact, I was a shell of myself. Thank God I have really supportive people around me, because your girl was like, I was like, is this what people go through? And they'll go through first, second, like they'll give birth to up to 5 children. What? My dear, it was a lot. So I didn't even remember I had a YouTube channel then. But then my videos, like the videos on my channel were still on, and then I wasn't like making good money because I wasn't active. Once you stop being active on YouTube, like once you take a break from posting, your algorithm kind of drops. Like I think they stop recommending your videos the way they used to if you were like very active. So it didn't really matter, because I was trying to save my life first, because motherhood was after my life. So fast forward to January 2024, I made a clear vision of what I wanted my channel to be, what I wanted, the kind of community I want to build, the kind of content I want my channel to be known for, and all. So I started fine-tuning my videos to meet that standard. So I was posting, I wasn't really making good money. So fast forward to June 2024, I got overly excited about, an entertainment news, which others were posting, by the way. Others were posting it on their own channel and it was doing well. I was like, well, there's no harm in this. And plus, I'm a huge fan of, all this marriage stuff and all. So that was how I, got a bunch of videos and posted on my channel. The videos started popping. Like I said, if you're posting like about entertainment news, people will always eat up your content. Okay, people will always eat up your content. It's just that it's high risk. You might even lose your channel. Like, I'm so lucky I didn't lose my channel, because YouTube does not play. They don't play with their policies. Like, once you go against their policy, my dear, you just, if they just demonetize you, you know that you're even lucky, because there are people that straight up just lose their channel and there's nothing you can do. No matter how many times you appeal, there's nothing you can do about it. So I posted a bunch of those entertainment news, and I just posted it and logged off. And I started getting notification on my phone, because I set my YouTube notification in such a way that if you comment on my video, I'm going to receive it even if I'm not on YouTube at the moment. So that was what happened. I was, the comment section was popping off. A lot of people were commenting. The video was going up, like it was going viral. Within how many hours, I already had 50,000 views. I was like, wow. Then the revenue for the videos were increasing. I was like, wow, this is good. Okay, I was like, let me log into my YouTube studio and see what's going on, see my aggregate for the month, how much they're going to pay me this month. So immediately I logged into my YouTube studio. I received a notification: your YouTube channel has been demonetized. Like, it was as if I lost my breath. My heart sank into my stomach. Okay, I didn't know what to do. I was like, God, who sent me? Like, I already resolved I wasn't going to post entertainment news before, so why did I make this kind of stupid mistake? So, I blamed myself for a couple of weeks, but I was like, it is what it is. They say, and I'll find out. So I did, and I found out. So I had to be an adult and suck it up and revert back. Okay, told me I could appeal the demonetization if I'm sure that I didn't post certain kind of, if I didn't go against their guidelines. But I already knew I did. Okay, so I just quietly deleted all those videos, because number one, it wasn't going to count anymore. And then if I left the videos on my channel, it's going to affect my other videos, whether future and old videos. It was going to affect everything on my channel. So I just quietly deleted all of them. And then, you know, I reverted back to posting my food cooking videos and my, you know, vlogs and all. So that is how we are here right now. Oh, by the way, they told me when they demonetized it, they said I had 3 months before I could reapply. So my reapplication was in 1st October. So yeah, that's how we're here. I'm just saying, okay, if you're not fully into the entertainment, you know, gossip kind of content, don't try it. Okay, especially if you know you're just going to lift the video from somewhere and upload on YouTube, because they are going to fault you for it. And if you're lucky, they will just demonetize you. If you're unlucky, they will take down your channel and you won't be able to resuscitate that channel. Like, you won't be able to recover that channel. Okay, although there is good money there, but I've tried it and it's not just for me. I can't be following celebrity gist up and down. Like, even celebrities that I don't know, I had to start following them on Instagram. It was a lot. Like, it was a lot of headache. It was a lot of work. In fact, it was a lot. So I'm kind of grateful that this happened, because it gave me a wake-up call on the decision that I made, that I wasn't going to, you know, be a gossip YouTube channel. Okay, no offense to those that do it, but it's clearly not for me, especially the kind of community you build through those kind of, you know, content. It's crazy. Like, people don't even think twice before they insult each other in the comment section. My comment section then was so terrible. Like, it was so bad. It was so hard to see a positive comment. Since I decided to build a positive community, you know, I had to make these changes and all. So yeah, that's my story. That's what happened to me, and I'm sharing it so you don't have to go through the same thing and all. So I hope you don't make the same mistake like I did. Now I enjoy the kind of content I post, to be honest. Whether I'm getting 10 views or 1 view, I know that this is something I'm proud of. This is something I did and I'm proud of it. Like, then there were some kind of content, like some kind of celebrity videos I'll post, and I would just be finding a way to cover myself, like let people not even know that it's me that posted this kind of thing. It was as if I didn't have a conscience then, because to be honest, all these celebrities are human beings, so no matter what they do, they are human beings. Okay, and shredding them the way, like, blogs and all these channels shred them, it would be as if they're supposed to be some kind of superhuman, but they're just human beings that, you know, got fame and got wealthy because they got fame and all. So my makeup turned out really well today. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.